Hello, my name is Gracia. Don't know about you guys, but lately I have not been feeling like a bad bitch. Just ignore him. That's my roommate. He's just kind of rude, you know? Doesn't care when I'm filming. But yeah, lately I have not been feeling like... You good? You hungry? You want strawberries?
No.
Okay. All I was gonna say is that I haven't been feeling like a bad bitch, and sometimes color makes me feel better, hence the rave behind me. And so, you know, I thought, let me do some glitter tips. My sister bought me these really cool acrylic glitters, and I was like, let me just do a quick little twist on French. So if you want to know how I did this, then just keep watching. So my sister got me 5 colors from the Core collection: Almond Milk, Bombshell Pink, Bare Minimum, Tickle Pink, and Poetic Pink. Here we have Relentless, Rebellious, and Radiate. Radiate and Relentless look really similar, but one ends up having more of a pink shift to it, while the other one has more of an orange shift to it. I went ahead and prepped off camera, and here I'm applying the Young Nails Protein Bond, 2 layers per usual, and I'm only applying it to my natural nail. So the first thing I do is I apply a medium-sized pink ball, and I do the cuticle area, and I try to make the smile lines look as even as possible, but I usually end up going and filing them to make them more clean. I dust that off before I apply the glitter colors. I went ahead and used all 3 of the glitter colors just to give myself like a colorful French glitter set, and I ended up loving them.
these look even good not filed. And I went ahead and filed off camera. I did use the Young Nails stain resistant top coat because this is a lighter color. I feel like the camera truly couldn't capture how beautiful and iridescent and out of this world these colors are. Like the shifts are beautiful, and when you hold your hand up to the light, it almost appears like stained glass, and the colors underneath that shine through the light vary from the shifts that you see on top, and it's just super beautiful. And I've been catching myself staring at my nails lately.
Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but every time I have my nails done and I like them, I tend to just catch myself staring at them, and it brightens my mood. And you know what? Colors really improve your life quality, you know? My baby.